So in this video, you'll learn how to enter safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So safe mode simply allows you to troubleshoot any issues that are currently on your tab without harming any third-party apps that you've installed. So by troubleshooting, you won't be able to harm YouTube Music or Spotify or just any app that you've currently installed. So the first step when it comes to entering safe mode is to access the power off menu. You can do this by using the buttons on the side of the tab, or you can just swipe down for quick settings, look for power off and select it. Then from here, tap on power off, and you want to long press on this icon so that it switches to safe mode. So long press, and then once it's switched to safe mode like that, tap on it once and simply wait for your tab to enter safe mode. So once your tab has successfully restarted, you should see at the very bottom, on the bottom left corner, you should see this word saying safe mode, which means that you successfully entered safe mode. So now you can just go ahead and unlock your tab using your pattern. The fingerprint or Face ID option won't be available because your tablet has technically restarted. And so once you've successfully unlocked your device, you'll notice that now when you swipe up to view the apps menu, you can see some of the third-party apps that were installed, such as the clock app, Spotify, calendar have grayed out, which means that whenever you tap on any of them, they won't launch. So now you can go ahead and troubleshoot any issues that you currently had on your tab. And so that's how you can enter safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.